Happy solstice, everybody. You know what the solstice is. This is the beginning of summer because this is the longest night and the shortest day of the year. The sun is going to come back. This is the most sacred time to Druids. All the Druids are carrying on. 1:08 a.m. on December 22nd this year is the time to make a wish. 3 days after, 3 days before. Make your wish for yourself, for your loved ones, for your planet. This is the time, the sacred, sacred time that the sun returns. Every year, the crops start to come back when this happens. This is the most wonderful time. We bless our planet. We bless all our loved ones. And we bless ourselves. And frankly, we need world peace. So put that in there too. This is the time that Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa were all based on. This holiday. This is the most sacred, wonderful time. If we were at Stonehenge right now, we would be beside ourselves. But meanwhile, we're in a wonderful place. Reindeer and evergreens and red candles and mistletoe are all symbols of the solstice. This is a pagan, magical holiday. It's so filled with magic, you can't help but partake of the magic yourselves. So blessings on you all, and so mote it be.